Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal for LinkedIn digital product sales, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install PayPal for LinkedIn digital product sales, begin by ensuring you have a LinkedIn account set up. Visit the official PayPal website to create a PayPal business account. Click on the Sign Up button and select Business Account. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, including your email address and business details. After your account is created, log in to your PayPal dashboard. Navigate to the Tools section and select All Tools. Choose PayPal buttons to create a payment button for your digital product. Select the type of button you wish to create, such as Buy Now or Add to Cart. Fill in the required fields, including the item name and price. Customize the button settings to fit your needs, such as currency options and shipping details, if applicable. Once you finish, click Create button to generate the HTML code. Copy the generated code to your clipboard. Next, go to your LinkedIn profile and navigate to the section where you want to display your product. Use the Add Profile section option to include a new link or post. Paste the HTML code into the appropriate field if your LinkedIn settings allow it, or create a post that clearly describes your digital product. In your post, provide clear instructions on how potential buyers can make a purchase through PayPal. Include the link to your product on your PayPal account if HTML pasting isn't possible. Ensure your LinkedIn profile clearly communicates the value of your digital product. Monitor your PayPal account for sales and inquiries regularly. Keep your LinkedIn profile updated with any changes to your digital product offerings. Engage with your audience by responding to their questions and feedback. This way, you will effectively set up PayPal for LinkedIn digital product sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.